In this video, I'm going to show you where to find promo codes for Tile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and then head on over to Google. Once we're at Google, type in promo codes for Tile and then hit enter. And now from here, we'll be taken to Google search results, and we've got a few different third-party sites offering Tile promo codes. So we've got couponfollow.com, Join Honey, RealTileMeNot, simplycodes.com. You can check out any one of them to enjoy savings, but one I like to go to is called CouponFollow, and they've got 10% off using promo codes. So if I want to activate this, I'm just going to click on Show Coupon Code, copy this coupon code, and paste this at the checkout section of Tile to enjoy 10% off. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check them out at later dates, and they do expire. So if one code expires, just simply move on to the next one. And another cool thing about CouponFollow, they do have previously featured offers and deals, so you can get a sense of what they might offer in the future as well.